It was only about a 5-month process. And I say
Okay.
5 months because that was when the conversations really got serious and we were drafting paperwork to the
Mhm.
point of acquisition and then a continuation period, excuse me, where I just simply stayed on board and make sure that any loose ends were tied up. And that worked out well for both parties. The team had a vision, and so I didn't need to necessarily add any more value, and that wasn't part of the nature of our deal. And so I effectively transitioned to a new opportunity, and they started to realize that vision. So we didn't have a lot of trailing weeks and months to really elongate that. And I think in hindsight, I think that's beneficial. But again, you kind of, as the selling party, you sort of want to make sure that it's really just making sure that your baby's in the right hands, and that at the end of
Mhm.
the day, when you're waving goodbye and everything's wrapping up, that you feel good about it. And so yeah, I would say about 5 months from really serious to due diligence for us maybe encapsulated about a month. So really not too long, not too strenuous. I've heard horror stories. I know of horror stories. And for me, it was, I'd like to think because the financials were in order, our business was, we operated in a transparent manner. We were process driven. And so, we really aimed to make sure if anybody came in and looked at our business, oh, okay, this is systematic. These machines are running for predictable outcomes. We got clear objectives. We're doing all these things in a process driven manner at the end of the day.